Hola, welcome to Fanfa Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about how to add the intention to disagree. So, if you are disagreeing with something or with a person, there is a magical word we use all the time. Is the word pues. Many people ask me, how do you use the word pues? What does that mean? And like the closest word to like can be like treated as a translation will be the word well. When you say well, yeah, well, no, well, this well in English is kind of this pues. But when do we use this pues? It's kind of similar when like to the well in English. um, but we use it most of the times when we disagree or when we do not agree entirely with a person's statement. Yeah. So let's hear some statements and then we are gonna say like what we think about it, and by adding always the word pues at the beginning of the sentence. So, no me gusta esta ciudad. So another person says that. You can say, pues a mí sí. It's like, well, I do. I don't like this city. Well, I do. Second one, no quiero ir a la casa. Pues yo sí. It's like, I don't want to go home. Well, I do. This well is like showing like I don't agree. Like I'm not, I don't agree with you, right? So pues is like well, I do. La comida no está buena. Pues para mí sí. It's like the food is not good. Well, for me it is. Yeah. So again, this well here, the word, yeah, like to disagree or to be not on the same page. Pienso que está bien. Pues yo creo que no. Like, I think it's okay. Well, I don't think so. Yeah. No quiero ver esta película. Well, I do. Like, I don't want to watch this movie. Well, I do. So, it's against the previous statement. Los niños son feos. Children are ugly. Eh, Pues a mí me parece que son lindos. Well, I think they're cute. Yeah. So, uh, again here, pues, by starting the sentence disagreeing. Los perros son agresivos. Dogs are aggressive. Pues yo pienso que son muy tiernos. Well, I think they're very cuddly or cute. Tierna. El clima va a ser perfecto. Pues no sé. The weather is going to be perfect. Well, I don't know. So here you're saying like, well, I wouldn't be so sure about it, right? The weather is going to be perfect. It's like he knows that, or this person knows that for a fact. You're like, well, I don't know. So you're contradicting this here. That's how you use the word pues to show the contradiction, to show the disagreement of other statements, and you always use it at the beginning. Okay. So yeah, that's how you use the word pues. You can to practice it in real life. Do your flashcards, your notes and writing. Talk to a friend, and every time that your friend like says something like you don't agree or entirely, or you just completely disagree, just use the word pues to say, well, I don't, well, I do, or well, I think that's not right. So use the word pues at the beginning of the sentences you're gonna say. So you're gonna be annoying here. You're gonna tell your friend like like well, you're gonna be honest but annoying at the same time, because you're gonna tell your friend you don't agree uh, with 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 the things he says. that will be it. Have fun. This is now in this level and be fluent. Your conversations are already gonna be very intense. You can say everything you think and feel, so it's more to be fluent. Yeah. So have fun and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hasta luego.